So we're over here at a condo that we're getting ready to do some glue down flooring. I've got my layout marks and control lines already snapped and getting ready to start our first couple courses. It is very prudent to get that right because that's going to determine everything else from here on out. It's a glue down engineered floor. So the glue that we are using is a T21 Sika glue, which is also a noise dampener. So it meets all the qualifications for the Condo Association. So we do not have to put cork board down. Most condos need cork board plus whatever glue they recommend or their contracts with HOA and everything require. So right now I've got one room completely bagged off for a cut station. Since we are up on the second floor, it doesn't make sense to be running downstairs and cutting. We'll get our first couple rows set, come back tomorrow, and we'll be able to continue from there.